Hi, everyone. I'm Doug Black, Editor-in-Chief at Inside HPC. And today, during SC22, we're with NetApp and NVIDIA to talk about their longstanding AI partnership. And with us are Chris Weber, he is Firmware Development Engineer at NetApp, and Shawn Kaiser, Senior Product Manager at NVIDIA. Gentlemen, welcome.
Thanks, Doug.
Yep, thanks, Doug.
Okay, so great. So NetApp and NVIDIA have been partners for quite a while. Can you go into more detail on the partnership and where it stands today?
Yeah, certainly. NetApp and NVIDIA have been partners since 2018 when our first ONTAP AI reference architecture was announced. Since then, we've worked together on a number of complementary solutions, including the original DGX-POD reference architectures based on both ONTAP and BGFS. We've had some managed AI solutions. There's the NVIDIA DGX SuperPOD with NetApp certification. And most recently is NetApp's validated NVIDIA AI Enterprise offering announced at VMware Explore. But we're more than just reference architectures and certifications. If you want to operationalize AI, you need a complete end-to-end solution with proven partners you can trust. And NVIDIA and NetApp, they bring that world-class AI infrastructure that customers are looking for.
Yeah, Chris, I would say that the partnership with NetApp has, of course, been longstanding and great for us and our customers alike. The full solution with NetApp, especially working with NVAIE, is also a great step forward as software is becoming more and more of a key enabler of both of our solutions, both separately and together.
Okay, so now you all have mentioned SuperPOD, which, it's an impressive solution that we've talked about before. What's the latest with NetApp and NVIDIA in that area?
Yeah, NetApp and NVIDIA continue to enhance SuperPOD. SuperPOD, if you recall, is AI the way NVIDIA does AI. This includes how we configure cable, manage, and even support our large clusters that are constantly being hammered on by NVIDIA data scientists. At SC22, we are announcing and launching our H100-based SuperPOD reference architecture. And of course, NVIDIA is looking forward to working with NetApp to qualify BGFS on H100, just as we've done with A100 and SuperPOD. So I would say definitely stay tuned for more information on that.
Yeah, on the SuperPOD front, if you remember, BGFS is NetApp's parallel file system of choice there for its extreme performance and simplicity. And NetApp has been working with ThinkPark to make BGFS even better in the most demanding AI environments. We've improved resiliency under specific failure cases. We productized client-native caching and GPU direct storage. NetApp recently released our updated automation tools and documentation around BGFS, which makes it easier to deploy and move data into and out of SuperPOD environments. NetApp has also announced that we have BGFS high capacity building blocks. And of course, we're working on updating our performance building blocks for the new H100 based DGX.
Okay, that's certainly impressive, and I can see how that would be effective for organizations already working with AI at scale. But what about someone just getting started in AI who may not need all of that infrastructure up front?
Yeah, that's a good point, Doug. We've recently expanded the pod program with NVIDIA-approved reference architectures called BasePOD. Since NetApp has been a longtime pod partner with proven success, NetApp is also a leading BasePOD partner and will be offering updated architectures that support BasePOD. One of the many benefits is that BasePOD offers more flexibility for deployments of all sizes and features more options from our partners like NetApp to deliver additional storage solutions. And as I mentioned earlier, software is becoming more and more important for us. Base Command Manager is an exciting addition to BasePOD. Customers have been asking for flexible solutions that allow them to start with a handful of nodes and then scale as their demands increase. That's the other great thing about BasePOD. It allows customers to complete their HPC and AI initiatives faster.
Yeah, the added flexibility of BasePOD is really exciting from a data and storage perspective. Customers can use NVIDIA's industry-leading full-stack AI software combined with NetApp's data fabric to build a complete end-to-end solution from edge to core to cloud. Starting with fewer DGX nodes, you don't always need the extreme performance of BGFS, so customers can get started with ONTAP's AI and for NFS workloads. They can add in storage grid for working with objects, whether it's tying an AI infrastructure to a data lake, or as we're increasingly seeing, operating AI workloads directly on the objects themselves. And when it's time for those customers to grow and scale, the new reference architectures allow for that at ease as well. NetApp is really trying to take our entire portfolio and build a whole AI infrastructure around the NVIDIA DGX. With NVIDIA's BasePOD infrastructure and software stacks combined with NetApp's data management, customers can really accelerate their AI initiatives.
Okay, great stuff. Thank you, Shawn and Chris. And tell us where can folks go to learn more about this partnership?
Yeah, you can go more from the NetApp side to netapp.com/AI or netapp.tv, or if you're at Supercompute 22, stop by the ThinkPark booth. We'll be there as well.
Yeah, and on the NVIDIA side, I would say start with NVIDIA.com, as you can easily find information on DGX, SuperPOD, and BasePOD, as well as the NVIDIA and NetApp partnership related resources on our partnership page. We've also got a 3D demo, a K-on demo that you can access that features NetApp storage within a SuperPOD. And like Chris said, you can also visit our booth at SC22 as well.
Great stuff. Thank you so much. And we'll see you on the conference floor.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.